never seen me before, my name is Whitney Wuzor and I'm a beauty, fashion and lifestyle YouTuber based in Goa, India. Now today I have a mini haul for you guys. I did come across this website called hawkmakeup.com and I was pretty intrigued with the sale they have going on right now. Like, I'm getting the products for like literally half the price, and that's pretty amazing. But first I did go onto Google and do a little bit of research to see if this website is authentic or not, because I really don't want to waste money buying fake products from fake websites. And I did find out that this website is 100% authentic. Now I did receive this box from hawkmakeup.com and I did purchase about 5 items from them, and I must say, like, I have already like tested most of the products out, all of the products out, and they are pretty freaking amazing. So if you want to see what I got from them, continue watching. So the first product that I invested in, and I am so happy that I did, is this palette right here from Makeup Revolution. It is the volume 1 palette, and this palette is very, why is it not opening? It's a very colorful and playful palette. Like, just look at those colors right there. I did use this palette to create this eye makeup look you see right here, and I do have a tutorial on this eye makeup look in Hindi. I will leave the link to that video right here and also down in my description box below. The entire video is in Hindi, and try not to laugh. So yeah, this palette is really good and the colors over here are so pigmented. So I'm just gonna swatch some for you guys in case you haven't seen me use this palette before. Now if you notice, these colors are very pigmented, however the mattes did not show up as pigmented as they actually do look like in real life. But if you do play around with makeup, you would know that matte shades don't really swatch that well as compared to shimmer shades. So that's the thing. Now this palette retails for 1,700 rupees, but I did get this palette for 1,000 rupees on Hawk Makeup, which is such an amazing deal. And I think paying 1,000 rupees for this palette, especially the fact that it comes with a mirror, is a really good investment. Now I would recommend this palette to anyone who is starting off with makeup and you really want to know how to do neutral looks and you also want to learn how to do color. This is the best palette for you to go. I think this is such an amazing palette because first of all, it is so travel friendly. Like, it is the size of my palm. It's a little bit bigger, but oh wait, it is the size of my palm, and it's so travel friendly. You can literally put it in your backpack and go, as compared to the other bigger palettes that I own. If you know what's good for you, just buy this palette and you're good. You're good. I've been on the longest hunt on finding the perfect powder contour color for me, and I finally did that. So I got this one. This is the LA Girl Contour Powder and Highlight. Now this color works amazingly well for me. Now I use this to contour my cheeks. Like, as you can see, if you watch the Hindi video, you will come to know how I did this entire look. But I use this one to contour my cheeks, and I use this to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin and my forehead. Now this is such an amazing steal, and I got this for, guess how much, guys? I got this for $2.99. $2.99, and I believe this retails for about 500 rupees. So I think like this was such a good investment. Now I got this one in the shade Deep because it does match my skin tone, but if you are lighter than me, they do have 3 shades available. They have Fair, Medium and Deep, and I did get this in Deep. So if you're lighter than me, I would suggest you check out the Fair and Medium, and yeah, you are not going to regret buying this, trust me. Now this is a beautiful peachy color, and I've also used it on my cheeks right here. What I like about this blush right here is that it gives you that no blush makeup look, if you get what I mean. It has a very subtle and natural tone to it, and it is really beautiful. Like, even a person who's light skin tone can definitely rock this, and it will make you look like, you know, you have like, you know, a natural peachy cheek. This is the Wet n Wild color Icon. They do have 3 or 4 shades available, and I did purchase this one for 150 rupees, and this retails for $2.99. Now the next thing I got is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Now if you have watched my top 5 foundations for any skin color or any skin type, you would know that I featured this foundation in that video, and just in case you haven't watched it, I'm gonna leave a link up here and also down in my description box so that you can feel free to check it out and get good makeup for yourself. So I freaking love this foundation, first of all, but the only like con about it is that you cannot wear this foundation for more than 6 hours. So if you just know that you're going out for a couple of hours, you can definitely slap this on and you're ready to go. And I got this in the shade Coffee, and this retails for $5.99, but I did get this for $2.99, which is pretty much half the price. Like honestly, I don't know, but I love this website so much because they give you like authentic products for such a cheap rate. I mean, they keep having sales on their website, which is an amazing thing. So if you want to save some money on buying makeup, because we all know makeup ain't cheap, okay? It ain't cheap. So if you want to save some money, definitely check out Hawk Makeup. Keep in mind that this video is not sponsored. I just generally like this website because I feel like it's really good for people like me who are trying to stay bad and bougie, but you know, who are on a budget. Last but not least, I did get this foundation stick from Makeup Revolution. This is the fast-paced foundation stick, and this is what it looks like. Yet again, if you watch my top 5 foundation video, you would see this foundation is featured on there, and trust me, this foundation is just to die for. If you're first starting out with makeup, or you already have makeup and you're probably looking for a new foundation, I would highly recommend you to try this foundation out because it's pretty amazing. It's very travel friendly and it blends like a freaking dream. So yeah, now this foundation I know for a fact retails for about 800 or 900 rupees on Nykaa, but I did get this for 500 rupees on Hawk, which is not pretty much half the price, but it's still at a discounted price, which is pretty amazing. So before I end this video, I just want to let you guys know some little tips and tricks on how to order from Hawk Makeup. I will leave their website URL down in my description box as well. So basically, they take about 5 to 6 business working days to ship the products to you. Now you can pay by your debit card, credit card, and also on cash on delivery, which is freaking amazing. Now their packaging is pretty much on point. Like they package every single product individually with bubble wrap, and I think that's pretty great because they are preventing further damage and they are keeping the customers in mind. So I think that's really nice. Now I don't know if this happens all the time, but this is just my first purchase and I'm just telling you my experience. So let's see if it happens again for my second purchase. I'll keep you guys posted on that. Now Hawk Makeup always has sale going on sometime or the other, so just keep checking out the website to know when is the best time for you to purchase your products at a half discounted price. Another thing is that I've never really tried this, but I am aware that Hawk Makeup does have discount codes, and so you will need to Google that up and see whether you can find one or not. Now I personally do not have a discounted code, but if Hawk Makeup wanted to give me one, I would gladly accept so that you guys can get some discounts. If you like this video, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up, and also comment down below if you have ever used Hawk Makeup before to order your products, because I would like to know, because honestly I feel like there are a lot of websites are coming out in India. So yeah, I just want to know how many people are aware about Hawk Makeup, and if you're not, it's cool, just let me know. Okay, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and you know, join this fam and click the bell button like so that you can get notified each and every time I upload. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.